The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Freestone County and central Texas, northern Leon County and central Texas, east central Limestone County and central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Limestone, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Teague, Buffalo, Jewett, and Oakwood. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 168 and 194. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.